Love is something that is hard to explain because the whole concept is pretty insane. No one can tell you how it feels, what it does, because each person feels different when they are in love. Being in love is more than just romance. It's friendships and siblings and pets and parents. And though I cannot make you feel it, I'm going to share the love that I felt, starting with the love found in friendship. We did not meet when we were young, like all other friendships had usually begun, but we were as far from typical as it gets. We were different from all the rest. The day we met, we didn't know the amazing friendship that was starting to grow. It started with a "Hey, I think I know you. I think I've seen you in a class or two." After that, there was small talk, just a word or two. Then a word or two turned into more than a few, and that progressed into something more. This was my friend, that was for sure. While finding a best friend can be pretty rough, finding true love, that's even more tough. It starts out the same as it does with best friends, but then it becomes more. It turns into a love that's hard to apprehend. A first love is unlike any other. You would do anything for each other. You would do something crazy like walk 1,000 miles just to make the other person smile. Every moment you spend together, it touches your lives, it marks it forever. You change when you're with someone you love. You become someone you can truly be proud of. You become connected on such a deep level that it can never change, falter, or swivel. And even as things change from right now, you will always be a part of each other somehow. Friendship and romance has its highs and its lows, but compared to family, it can never come close. A family is something that cannot truly be explained, bound by a love that can never be reigned. They are your everything, your happiness, your light. They are the ones that will never leave your side. My family, though it's been through a lot, divorce and mistakes and a whole lot of other stuff, looking on the outside, everything corresponded. But though my family was together, we weren't bonded. We have all heard them say that we would appreciate them one day, and until the day that I moved, I never thought that was true. My family may have been stripped from its bindings, but that did not mean that we would stop trying. Slowly but surely I started to realize what I had been missing this whole time. A father that I love completely, and he loves me just as deeply. For years he lived so far away. I was sad and broken. I was far from okay. And now that we are back together, I'm here to stay, and I couldn't be happier. A stepmom that anyone can imagine. One that I can be myself with. It is like she knows me inside and out, and I love her without a doubt. A mother whom I so proud of, to deal with the things that I shouldn't have done. To be a mother I couldn't imagine, the love and the sacrifice that is given. Two brothers that are my best friends, who have been there for me through thick and thin, the ones that know just what to say to make me smile after I've had a bad day. Three sisters, they look up to me, they repeat everything that they see. They've helped me learn what to do to become a person worthy of looking up to. Love, it's something that's hard to explain because the whole concept is pretty insane. No one can tell you how it feels, what it does, because each person feels different when they are in love. Being in love is more than just romance. It's friendships and siblings and pets and parents. And though I cannot make you feel it, I hope that I have made you see that love is something that can't be measured. It's something to be held close and cherished and treasured. And if you're wondering if true love has a happy ending, I can tell you it doesn't. Because true love, that's never ending.